Dozing off while driving.
Vehicles destroyed, people dead.
May 23, 2010, noon. Driver Mr. Yang drove a large bus from Dazhou County, Dazhou City, Sichuan Province, back to Shenzhen. 050 the next morning. When the car reached National Highway 050, K30081110 meters, Guangxi Hechi section, Mr. Yang had been driving continuously for more than 4 hours. Overtired. In a daze.
Caused the bus to cross the road center line and enter the opposite lane.
A loud bang. The bus crashed head-on into the Hechi city. A large sleeper bus driven by Mr. Wei, accompanied by violent vibrations.
The left side of the bus was almost flattened.
The sleeper bus's head was severely damaged. The body of the car was severely deformed. Finally fell into the drainage ditch on the side of the road. This shocking car accident resulted in 12 deaths on the spot. 22 people were injured and hospitalized for treatment. 1:53 a.m., September 16, 2011. A large passenger bus traveling from Nankang, Jiangxi, to Shenzhen. When traveling on the Yueshaogan Expressway, Dongyuan County, Ayuan City, Guangdong Province. Because the driver dozed off and did not pay attention to the road ahead,
rear-ended a large tractor-trailer,
resulting in the immediate death of 4 people, including the driver, and 8 people seriously injured. After the violent collision, the front of the bus was unrecognizable. The first 3 rows of seats in the front were crushed together. The whole vehicle was severely damaged. The price of a short nap was the destruction of the vehicle and the death of people. The painful fact tells us, for your own safety, for the safety of the passengers, please arrange rest in time, drivers. Prevent fatigue driving,
and ensure driving safety.